guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting recipe that's called Vegetable Momos, also known as Vegetable Dumplings, and it's very delicious. So let's get started. The ingredients to make the momos and the dough for the momos are some cabbage that I have finely grated, minced mushrooms, finely chopped onions, some finely chopped carrots, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of oil, some green chilies, salt to taste, some cilantro, ginger, and this is the black pepper. And to make the dough, I need 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, some salt to taste, and 2 teaspoons of oil. I will be serving Asian style dipping sauce for our dumplings, and the ingredients for the dipping sauce are 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar. This is the rice vinegar. I have some soy sauce, that's 2 teaspoons, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sesame oil. I have some chopped spring onions or green onions, a pinch of salt because we already have some salt in the soy sauce, and I also have some chili oil. This is about 2 spoons of chili oil. Now the first thing that I want to do is heat the pan and add some oil, and we are going to saute all these vegetables that I'm going to use in the dumplings. So just lightly saute all the vegetables. In goes the onions. Along with the onions, I'm going to add the carrots, ginger, cabbage, mushrooms, green chilies, and just mix everything. And now I'm also going to add the black pepper and the salt. Last thing for the dumpling filling is the cilantro. And I'm going to mix everything, and that's it. I'll turn off the flame. The filling for our dumplings is now ready, and I'm just going to let this cool down while I make the dough for our dumplings. So now let's make the dough for our dumplings, and this is the all-purpose flour or maida. In goes the salt and the oil. And now I'm going to mix everything and add water gradually to make a thick dough. Be very careful when you add the water. Okay, here our dough is ready now. Now I'm ready to roll out the dumplings. So now let's make tiny balls out of this dough like this, and I'm just going to roll out this dough. And then I have this mold with which I can make dumplings. This is a really cute mold that you can use to make the dumplings. And then I just place the dough on the mold and add a little bit of this dumpling mixture that we prepared. And then I have some water over here. Just apply a little bit of water to seal the dough. Then I just close it like this and remove this extra dough. So I have this tiny mini dumpling, and I'm just going to press this over here. You can make any shapes or sizes of these dumplings. This is one of them, and I'm going to show you another shape. Okay, so I'm going to add some more filling now, and I'm going to start making this into another shape. And I'm going to keep this as well. They're different shapes and sizes, and now I'm going to steam them. So these are our dumplings that we just made, and our water has been boiling, and I have this bamboo steamer in which I'm going to steam the dumplings for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just going to place these dumplings in here, and I have a second layer. I'm going to place the dumplings here as well. I'm going to just cover this, let it steam for about 15 minutes on medium flame, and then let's check on it. While our momos or dumplings are steaming, I'm going to go ahead and make the Asian dressing or the dipping sauce for this. So to make this Asian dressing, I have this chili oil in this. Then I'm adding some sesame oil to this, some soy sauce, vinegar, pinch of salt, and now I'm also adding some spring onions to this. This is a very easy and delicious dipping sauce that you can have with momos. And there are other ways to make the dipping sauce for momos with onions, tomatoes, garlic and green chilies, but I just thought of making this Asian style. So our dipping sauce for our momos is now ready. Our momos have been steaming for about 16 to 17 minutes, and now I'm just going to turn off the flame and check on our momos. Yeah, and they're done, and you can see here as well, and I'm just going to serve it right now. So these are our momos or dumplings that we just prepared, and I'm serving it with our Asian dipping sauce. And you can see it looks so attractive, and I've added some rose petals right from my garden, and this looks so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this simple dumplings or momos recipe, and if you did, do like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in. Till next time, thanks and bye-bye.